In this video, I'll show you how to check the template ID in the Shared with Me section of Docusign using a simple and practical method. After logging in, head to the Templates tab and switch to the Shared with Me view, where all templates shared by others are listed. Select the template you need and open its details page, where the template ID is usually displayed or accessible through additional options. This ID is useful for tracking, integrations, or referencing templates across workflows. However, availability and visibility of the ID can depend on your access permissions, so you may not always see it if restrictions are in place. It's also a good idea to double-check you're selecting the correct template, especially if names are similar. Overall, it's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you navigate tools with confidence.